Hey everyone, back with part 2 of Amazon's most underrated car upgrades that fix daily annoyances and level up random trips. From camping buzz barriers to keeping those brand new door sills scratch-free, there's zero filler here. Links to every gadget we're showing are right down in the description below. Let's dive right into the first one. Ever glanced at your car's door sills and noticed those annoying scuffs from shoes and daily use? This Car Door Sill Protector fixes that. Its self-adhesive carbon fiber cover goes right on, shielding your sills from scratches. It's super easy to apply, so no more stress about scuffing up your ride. A small upgrade that keeps your car looking clean. Ever rolled down your car window at a rest stop or while camping only to get swarmed by mosquitoes and bugs? This car mosquito net covers your window with breathable mesh, so you can keep fresh air flowing without letting pests in. It's a simple way to stay comfortable when you need to air out your car. Ever been on a drive where your phone dies and charges way too slow? Yeah, that's the worst. Product number 3 here is the USB car charger quick charge. Its multi-port quick charge design powers all your devices from your car outlet in a flash. No more low battery panic. Ever open your trunk to find groceries, tools, and random daily items sliding all over the place? This foldable trunk organizer fixes that by separating everything into clear compartments. It keeps your trunk totally tidy and makes grabbing what you need super quick. Ever winced at the price of professional window tinting? Save big with this Car Window Tint Kit. It's a full DIY set that comes with every tool you need, so you can get that sleek, private look right at home. This is product number 5 in our second video. Check it out. Which of these 5 Amazon car gadgets was your favorite today? Give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe because this is video 2 in our series. More awesome gear is on the way. All the product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.